I had a request to show this back screen here for the vents. So right above the vents, you can see that this is manual controlled. This is really nice. I actually really miss these. You probably have them in your vehicle right now. And you have an on and off setting, so you can either turn it on or turn it off. I just heard the front of the vehicle, so if I turn it on, listen, it starts blowing back here. If I turn it off, it forces more in the front. Not sure if you can actually hear the difference in the air. And then you have basically an option, once it's on, to both of the seats in the back, you have an option to turn it on or turn it off. There isn't too much going on. And then obviously you have the heated seats, but you know, if you have the air conditioning on in the middle of summer, that's probably not going to be very helpful. And then this low, you can't really change anything, any setting here. These are USB-C, and there are also other USB-Cs. This is pretty handy. There's a USB-C here, and I have a bungee because I hang stuff off the back of the seat. And I have another USB-C here with a hook. There's no, you know, vents or anything blowing, just at the feet down there. So that's what you're looking at. And typically I keep this locked. So if we reach forward here, I usually keep it locked because I don't like my 3-year-old playing around with those different options.